Hello, today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Maisto Harley Davidson 1928 JDH twin cam in 1/18 scale. And as you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box which has a big Harley Davidson logo on the front. Maisto here. You can see the mic from this angle. You've got a little 1/18 scale. Of course, it's an officially licensed product. From the other side, a little selling points of it, such as it's a detailed scale replica, working suspension, die-cast metal with plastic parts. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. Here you go, here is the model on a nice little display plinth, which it is screwed into. As well, it's got a little thing here, got a little Harley Davidson logo, 1928 JDH twin cam, Maisto. Now I will quickly unscrew the model and we can have a look at it off its plinth. And here it is in all of its wonderful detail. We've got movable wheels in the front and back. We've got steering that turns the wheel. You can see a very nice detail front. These are nice rubber wheels. You can see the engine, the exhaust. It has, as it says on the front, it's got working suspension, so it's very nice. It has a stand here at the back, which go up and down. So as you can see, doesn't really stand up. Put the stand down and the model will stand up very nicely. Of course, move forward and back very nice. We've got a very nice seat. Again, we can see the steering and cockpit, a big fuel tank. Looking at it from the other side. Just overall, it's a very nice detailed model. Of course, it's got a nice little display stand, which you can perch it on, or you can have it separate and have it displayed using its little stand there. This is a classic Harley Davidson from 1928, so it's a very old motorcycle. And very iconic, of course, being Harley Davidson. Got a little Harley Davidson logo on the front here. Again, it also says Harley Davidson here with a very nice metal piece here. Overall, this is a wonderful, wonderful model. It has a length of about 12 centimeters, a width of about 3 centimeters, and a height of about 6 centimeters. And it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.